Weight loss is often seen as a long, drawn-out process, but the military diet offers a shortcut to shedding pounds quickly. This 3-day diet plan promises rapid results, claiming you can lose up to 10 pounds in just 3 days. For those seeking a short-term weight loss solution or a quick reset, this diet could be the answer. Let's explore how it works, its potential benefits, and how to maximize your success while staying healthy. Why the military diet stands out when it comes to weight loss diets. The options can be overwhelming. From keto to intermittent fasting, each plan has its own set of rules and benefits. The military diet is unique because of its simplicity and structure, making it easy to follow. It's designed to create a calorie deficit while incorporating specific foods believed to boost metabolism, suppress appetite, and provide essential nutrients. Good health requires effort, and weight loss doesn't come from quick fixes alone. The military diet is not a magic pill but rather a tool to jumpstart your journey. By adhering to its strict guidelines, you can achieve fast results while learning about portion control and calorie awareness, key components of long-term success. Day-by-day breakdown. Day 1. Kickstarting your metabolism. Breakfast. Start your day with half a grapefruit, 1 slice of whole wheat toast topped with 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and a cup of black coffee or tea. This combination provides fiber, protein, and healthy fats to keep you full and energized. Grapefruit, in particular, is known for its fat-burning properties. Lunch. A simple meal of half a cup of tuna, 1 slice of whole wheat toast, and your choice of water, black coffee, or tea. Tuna is a lean protein source that helps preserve muscle mass while promoting fat loss. Dinner. A satisfying plate of 3 ounces of grilled or baked meat, 1 cup of green beans, half a banana, 1 small apple, and 1 cup of vanilla ice cream. The inclusion of ice cream may seem surprising, but it adds a sense of indulgence while keeping the overall calorie count low. Day 2. Building momentum. Breakfast. Enjoy 1 slice of whole wheat toast, 1 egg, prepared your way, and half a banana. This meal balances protein and carbs to sustain energy throughout the morning. Lunch. 1 cup of cottage cheese, or a slice of cheddar cheese, 1 hard-boiled egg, and 5 saltine crackers. Cottage cheese offers a creamy texture and is packed with protein, while the crackers provide a light crunch. Dinner. 2 hot dogs, minus the buns, 1 cup of broccoli, half a cup of carrots, half a banana, and half a cup of vanilla ice cream. Hot dogs, while unconventional, provide a convenient protein source that fits the diet's calorie goals. Day 3. The final push. Breakfast. A light meal of 5 saltine crackers, 1 slice of cheddar cheese, and 1 small apple. This meal is designed to keep you satiated with minimal calories. Lunch. 1 slice of whole wheat toast and 1 hard-boiled egg. You can substitute the egg with options like milk or bacon for variety. Dinner. End the diet with 1 cup of tuna, half a banana, and 1 cup of vanilla ice cream. The gradual calorie reduction across the 3 days maximizes fat loss without depriving you of essential nutrients. Tips for long-term success. Stay hydrated. Water is your best friend on this diet. It helps flush out toxins, curbs hunger, and improves digestion. Drink at least 8 cups of water daily. Exercise moderately. While this diet is low in calories, light exercise such as walking, yoga, or stretching can complement your weight loss efforts. Avoid high-intensity workouts, as your energy levels may be lower than usual. Plan for off days. The military diet follows a 3-on, 4-off structure. During the off days, maintain a calorie intake of around 1,500 to prevent regaining lost weight. Focus on lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables to keep your body nourished. Customize for your needs. While the diet is designed for women, men can adjust by adding 100 extra calories daily, typically in the form of lean protein. Vegetarians can replace meat with plant-based proteins like tofu or lentils. Listen to your body. Rapid weight loss may not be suitable for everyone. If you experience dizziness, fatigue, or other symptoms, consult a healthcare provider before continuing. The science behind the military diet. The diet's success lies in its calorie deficit. By consuming fewer calories than your body burns, you force it to tap into fat stores for energy. Additionally, many of the foods included, such as grapefruit, black coffee, and high-protein items, are thought to boost metabolism and suppress appetite. It's worth noting, however, that much of the initial weight loss is water weight, not fat. This is because cutting calories and carbs causes the body to shed glycogen stores, which are bound to water molecules. For lasting weight loss, pairing the diet with sustainable lifestyle changes is crucial. The role of discipline and balance. One of the biggest challenges in any diet is maintaining discipline. The military diet provides a clear, structured plan that eliminates guesswork, making it easier to stay on track. However, long-term success depends on your ability to transition to a balanced, nutritious eating pattern after completing the diet. Is the military diet right for you? The military diet is best suited for those looking for short-term results, such as fitting into a special outfit or kickstarting a weight loss journey. While it's not a sustainable long-term solution, it can be an effective motivator. The verdict: the military diet offers a simple and structured way to achieve rapid weight loss. By following its 3-day plan and maintaining healthy habits on your off days, you can lose up to 10 pounds while gaining a better understanding of portion control and calorie management. Remember, consistency and moderation are key to maintaining your results and achieving lasting health. Are you ready to take on the challenge? Let us know your experience with the military diet in the comments below, and don't forget to share this video with friends who want to jumpstart their weight loss journey. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more insightful tips, and together, let's smash those health and fitness goals and inspire each other along the way.